I wish she got under breast hair. I'm gonna do something to her again.
Something happened, people of God. That's what somebody, and people start sending things to my phone. Please pray for her. I thought it was another person trying to distract me, because you know they mess with me when I'm on my live. And
Hey, good evening, welcome to Girl Power Every Hour. I'm telling us all when I'm busy, I still I go do the Girl Power. What happened? I'm so tired, so busy, but I still have to do what I have to do. Hard work pay off. Hello, Royal Crazies, good evening. Wanna miss me? Boy, the whole weekend I'm busy, fam. So what happened? Busy, everyone look for me and can't find me. I look on the phone, let me at work. Mash! I concentrate on what I pray for Spice. I want to Spice. Which Spice? Dancer Spice, what's wrong with her? We miss it. Yeah, I'm missing it too. I do, wifey. Where am I being? I go work from Sunday, I work. This morning I come. I would him just did attack, say. She heart attack in. What? When that? She come from surgery. Spice on. Spice fine. Spice, where you been? Spice in a coma. Spice have surgery complication. When? What Spice? Oh my God. It's a lie. Okay, Spice had heart. Doing plastic surgery. I gotta read something. She did surgery and went into coma. So she come out of coma now? In coma for 36 hours in there. You know, them are out of right. Sugar, all right. I said surgery hard, my love. Not come easy. You want good, you know that for run. Sugar be okay. Remember I'm telling you now my belly that right now. Well, not right now, but what? Remember I do my belly first time, you know. Make a light, please. I do my belly the first time, you know, 2 weeks after. No, tell a lie. 1 week after was Rachel's birthday. R.I.P. my pitney. And I go the 1 week after stiff like a jack scan shop. And then I said, now come up back. You could post the article here. Which damn article? Spice are alright. Spice are strong girl. Strong black woman. Them look at something like game. The hardest soldiers get the most fights. And I can't tell them about my surgery. So after the 1 week now, I go out and say, I go back again because it was Rachel's birthday. But Mash, you did it. Jesus Christ. What am I do, Mash? And me, I wanna attack the doctor. Yeah. And I say, you see, 2 months after, I wake up, I saw something I spray out of my belly. Like 1 pipe, like on 6 pipe, 10 pipe.
That side over there, that side there.
12,
that side.
12 pipe. I'm in the part, why? Murder! And it's from the part, I'm going to say, Jesus Christ, why? Why about my big belly? I'm going body, you know. Me, honestly, here, though, that take me, my advice, God give it that, but scream. Dear doctor. Yes, surgery is risky. And people just take it over proportion and go out with one only for something when them hear something. But only for people go through all sorts. And me can't tell enough. If I'm going to not admit for doctor draw this something out of me, And Masha cuss the cool doctor. And Mary kind of whole of them a cuss the doctor that time I stay so we down 6 stone cross my belly so. Bit and the, that was scary.
That was horrible, man.
That was horrible, man.
Yeah, that was horrible, Jay.
That's true, man. That was a journey.
Nah,
I'm still going to do belly one time after that, you know. Cause belly flat now, you know, after the don't look for my breast. Road. I couldn't tell me to them people. The belly flat, but it's ugly to make monkey face. So it's like I have a 2K and throw the little flat belly now. I couldn't throw the little 2-piece kind of belly. I make monkey face. I'm fair. Me never have it. Mr. Fuck that, me I go back. Price is gonna be fine. And people like to exaggerate as well. He said me I go under surgery. Me I talk to the anesthetic right till me drop asleep. And me I say, my glad to God, I'm a pray and talk. Beer something be the man. He said, we see some wake up, but me I say, God will love you. It takes a lot, you know. If you go in there with a negative mentality, you have to come out some kind of way, droopy. That
is when it manifests.
Yeah. So complication is in surgery.
Do what? You not look good already?
I still want to look good. I want to look good. I want to look like when I go Dominic. Oh, shut up. Republic. When I went to DR, and the doctor said to me that I'm not super sexy. So I say, even though you know what is super, you know, I think of it. Because you know I'm sexy. I will call out my name. Caddy, don't call out my government name. My name is Scarlett, girl. So when the doctor was explaining to me, I said to myself, you have sexy. Then you have super sexy. Then them categorize it. Yeah, so when the man show me one big iron, who know this something, look around something like this where you use sharpen. It's in our kitchen, don't mash. The somebody you sharpen the file?
Yeah,
it's in the file. Bring it, let me show them what me attack. Make a show them put it up. Like,
you don't know what file
Mash, bring the thing, my friend. Please, Mash. Yes, so when the doctor show me the something, I said that him push up in a yo. Me lucky, of course, me lucky, Kadeen. The man said it push up in a yo for take out the fat. Me said, Jesus Christ, I'm afraid. Them said, see living. You understand me? Me go say, I go to bottom, you know. When me wake up a day, I say, oh, me feel so normal. Come my mama do breast 2 times, my belly 2 times, so I go forget like a bottom now for the first time. Me say, you said me go, and then put me on that. Me don't know where go wrong, you know. Me don't know if I not that one mash, but something like the round one mash, not this flat one. You send the man show me the something of them.
Blessings, everyone. So I want to get something clear today. I need to talk to people who are attention seekers. When you're seeking attention, I don't know why you all choose to come on my page with it. This morning while I was doing my prayer and fasting service, someone came on my page and telling me to pray for Spice. And I told the person, don't start no trouble now, you know. I said, I know you all love to come on this page and bring her name up for me to say something, for you all to mix me up. I didn't have any idea about what is going on social media concerning her. So when I got off, here goes some other people calling me and telling me, yes, it's true. She had a heart attack, during surgery. But then I went on, as you see, and I prayed because I seriously didn't know something was really going on about her. But then I called some people who would have known, and these were credible people, and I said, what's going on? But then nobody could confirm this. So I just want you all to know, people who seek attention and people who like to get, you know, whatever reason you choose to come on my page, you know, for mix up, and why you chose my page to come and talk. I mean, this can happen to anybody, you know. People get sick, people go through difficulties, you know what I'm saying? And yes, it's a risk. And she put this, she said, pray for Spice, because I hear she not doing good. People of God, I thought they were interfering with me again, now ready to get me mixed up again. So I told the lady, no, don't bother with it, because the last time I stretch out the olive branch and you remember what happened, and you always come and distract me. But people of God, when I got off the live prayer and fasting, somebody told me that she's actually in the Dominican Republic. Oh, Jesus. People of God,